All right, so I'll just give you a quick demo of CodeSign Secure's Apple Signing CSP. And basically, the idea behind this, it's already set up on this machine. So there's no need to worry about, I'm not going to go into the steps. Our documentation has it all. But the basics of this are we're providing the call to the API. So we're calling our CodeSign command. We are providing the -s flag, which is the sign command. And then we are actually providing the hash to our certificate. So you don't actually need the certificate you're signing with on the client side. You need it on the server side. So basically what it's going to do is reach out with your P12 auth certificate and it will say, can this user use this certificate? So it'll check the roles of that user. It'll check the team and application that user's in and make sure that that certificate can be used. And if it can, it will sign this application. So as you can see, this has already been signed once before, so it's replacing the existing signature, and we've successfully signed it. So like I said, it took longer to explain the actual command than it did to actually sign. Now, briefly, something else I'll show you is this keychain access. Now, this is where we set up our P12 auth certificate, and also this is where, like we discussed, we have our different publicly trusted certificates. So we have an OV code signing certificate, which is, actually it was gotten from an outside and external PKI that's trusted, universally by everyone. And so that chain is in here as well as our P12 auth certificate. So that is everything I have for you guys today. Thank you very much for joining.